Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the progress on my Valentine's Day banner that I showed you guys on my previous video. So I have already added a bunch of ephemera pieces, decorated it, and I want to show you guys what it looks like right now. I still need to add the ribbon and then of course show you guys a cute little twist that I have added to this banner. So let's get on with showing you guys the pieces. Here's the first one. And this one has super cute little chipboard pieces from the crepe paper main squeeze collection. This cute little banner came from Michael's, and this little ephemera piece is from a Pebbles collection. I added pom-pom trim to my banner. You guys know I love to do that. It just gives it a little extra. These little pink ones, small ones, are from AliExpress. So that is the first one. If you guys didn't watch my previous video, I tell you on that video the papers that I used to create the hearts. The next one is this one, which is so cute, you guys. It's a cute little ephemera piece from Main Squeeze, crepe paper Main Squeeze. The little glittered heart are from, I think, Walmart. This cute little rosette is from Hobby Lobby, and a little chipboard piece from crepe paper Main Squeeze. And this little hashtag love you is from, I think it's the Kiss Kiss collection. And then of course some pom-pom trim, and then I added a cute little bow. These are from AliExpress. I think I hauled them quite some time ago. You get like a bunch for like $3. And this one I posted on Instagram. It's so cute. There is little eyes underneath on the little ephemera piece, but I decided to add googly eyes because I thought it'd be more like fun and dramatic. So this little ephemera piece is from Main Squeeze, as well as this one. I use a lot of Main Squeeze because I just like their pieces. This one is from Pebbles, a Pebbles collection. Cute little chipboard heart. I think it turned out adorable. It looks so cute. Then we have this one, and we have a cute little bee, which is a Pebbles collection as well. I think it's My Funny Valentine. And then this one is the Forever Love collection from Pebbles, and it's just like this cute little ephemera piece. It says, to me you are absolutely perfect. I inked the edges just a little extra, added a little heart doily in the back. And I love it, you guys, because just like the sewing effect and then the little layering, it just brings the little banner piece together. And then the little shaker that I had made, I also posted this on my Instagram. I just added the Love You chipboard piece from the Main Squeeze collection. And then I added two little eyelets up here so that we could put the string through. And that's what it looks like. And I love it because all the little goods are on the bottom, so it just shakes on the bottom. I think it turned out so cute. And then we have this one, which is simple, but it's so beautiful. It's one of my favorite pieces because of the black and white. And it has these cute little bows that I made using my Cricut. One of these puffy little hearts from Target. And then just the pink around the edges with the pom-pom. I think it goes together so cute. I shared it last night on my Instagram, and you guys were loving it as well. So fun. And sometimes you just don't have to do so much. And then the last one is this one, and it just has a couple of layered hearts. This cute little pig with a bow and arrow from the My Funny Valentine. You guys, if I sound congested, it's because I think I'm getting sick. I woke up with the sniffles. My chest is killing me, but we're going on. We're doing it. We're doing it, you guys. So then I put some cute little gemstones, little gemstones from Michael's, and this cute little chipboard piece from, I'm not sure where this is from. I don't know if it's probably from Main Squeeze as well. But yeah, you guys, that's how I decorated all the banner pieces. Now, to show you guys where I added the eyelets and the little plot twist to this banner, which I think is what makes it actual Happy Mail. So you guys, I made every single heart a pocket. Oops, this one is got stuff there. There you go. I made every little single heart a pocket, so you can fill them with goodies for your pen pals. So if you wanted to give, let's see, for instance, I made these cute little girls. Ooh, how cute are they, you guys? on my Cricut. So if I wanted to just give all the little girls and I wanted to put them in here for my pen pal, just put them this way, package them in a little bag, and look at that. It's like a little pocket. So every single heart is a pocket that you can fill up for your pen pal with tags, with ephemera pieces, with little embellishments. So I think it makes the banner more fun that way, like when you add stuff like that. So each and every one of them is pockets. Now what I'm thinking is to use this one. All of the eyelets, I only put them in the back because I didn't want to have that small of a space to be able to fill it. I wanted it to be opened enough to fill a good amount of stuff. So the little eyelets are just on that side. And I think it's a great idea, you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to build it. So I have this in the middle, and I think I'm going to do it this way. All right, I want this one over here. So I'm going to use this ribbon, which is from Michaels. It's the Celebrated Aria, and it's just like this cute little pink lace. So I'm going to put it through here, and then we'll see how that works. But yeah, you guys, it is so cold where I'm at. Is it cold where you guys are at? Because it's freezing where I'm at. We're supposed to have gotten some snow today, but we didn't. At least if we did it, there was probably like a little flurries, but it didn't stick. All right, so this is what it looks like. Just want to pull it through to give myself enough room to keep going. I like to do the eyelets, you guys, because sometimes when you just punch the holes, you can kind of tear them easily with the ribbon, and this way it kind of like lasts longer. So I feel like with the eyelets you have more of a chance of it not tearing and getting ruined. And then, you guys, all right, so I'm gonna put this through. I hate that it gets like a little bit like frizzy. You guys see that? And then it just makes it harder to pull through. But it's looking good. So you just put it through. And you can just see how the first two are coming out. I'm not going to make you guys watch me pull the ribbon through the whole banner, but this is what it's looking like so far, and I'll be back with the banner fully with the ribbon. Be right back, you guys. And we're back with the banner fully with its ribbon to be able to be hung up. You guys, I am obsessed with how this banner turned out, and I hope whoever wins it in this giveaway, you guys know I told you that I will be giving it away at the end of me finishing it up. I hope you guys enjoy it and send it to either like a pen pal or keep it for yourselves. Do whatever you want with it. I will be filling each heart with some goodies, maybe some candies as well, so definitely stay tuned for that. How it's going to look fully filled. That's going to be my last video. So on my next video, I'm going to fill each heart with the goodies, and I'm not going to show individually everything I put inside because I do want it to be a surprise for whoever wins the banner. So on the next video, it's going to be filled. I'm just going to give you an overlook, and then I'm going to open up the giveaway. It's going to be probably opened up probably by the end of the week. I'm going to do it. So definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.